Stop scrolling. Are you looking for a place to manage all of your vehicles in one place? The Euro Car Parts app does exactly that, and you can do personalised shopping for each one. I love the fact that I can give my cars nicknames and be able to save a number of vehicles is really handy for a multiple car household like mine. As everything is in one place, I can still shop my way, deciding if I want to click and collect in 15 minutes or have it delivered to my door from next day. Plus, not only can I see a load of really helpful information like vehicle spec and MOT history, I can even set up multiple personalised reminders for each car so I know if I'm definitely going to be ready for my next MOT. Storing all your car's details means the app only shows you parts that fit your vehicle, so no guesswork. And with Euro Car Parts Service Kit Builder, I can quickly add everything I need for a service. And even check fitment detail like dimensions. Checking out is as easy as the website, and if I know I order right now, I'll have my products in no time.